Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so sorry, my voice is really off today because I'm not feeling that well. However, I still wanted to record this video anyways, so let's just jump right in. I'm starting off with an old braid out, and right now I'm just separating the hair because it's easier to do this style when you separate your hair and you detangle and you just do everything in sections. It just saves time and just makes it easier for you, but you don't have to do it this way if you don't want to. This is an old hairstyle and my hair already had products in it. I'm not going to add a bunch of products to my hair because I don't want to weigh it down too much because I'm going to be using so much gel. So I'm just going to use some water to detangle the hair at first. And then once I'm done with detangling the hair, I'm going to go in with my bristle brush right there so I can smooth the hair down so it could slick down easier. And then to do this, I'm going to be using the Eco Style Gel, the Argan Oil one. I'm not going to use too much because I don't really need that much for the back because the back is going to be covered anyway. Once I finish adding my gel, I'm going to go over it one more time with the bristle brush just to make sure everything is smooth. And I'm going to take a little scrunchie or a hair tie. I'm going to put that section away and I'm going to move on to my next section. This is going to be pretty much the same as the previous section. You're just going to detangle and add the gel and the brush and all of that. However, with this part, you have to make sure you detangle everything thoroughly because you're going to have to add all the back sections together. It's not going to be separate. It's all going to be together. So you want to make sure your hair is thoroughly detangled so that nothing is sticking out, because if your hair is not detangled properly, when you go to put the gel in, when you slicking it down with a brush, it's gonna stick out and you don't want that. So make sure your hair is really detangled so that when you go in, you add them all together, everything is sleek and your hair is down and it's not gonna stick up because you don't want that. Once you get to the front of your hair, you're gonna have to add a little bit of extra gel, more than the back, only because the front of your hair is the part that everybody's gonna see first. They're gonna see the front of your hair first. So since it's a sleek bun, you just want to make sure the front of your hair is sleek and just add gel as needed. Don't be scared to add gel because you want the hair to be laid. You want it to stay down. That's the goal. So just keep adding gel until you feel like it's sleek enough for you. Bruh. So after that fail, I got a bigger scrunchie and I just connected the front section to the back of the hair that I already did. And that's all you have to do for this part. For the last part in the front, I did the same thing, detangled, and I put my gel. Now, for me, this part was extra hard because my hair just did not want to lay down. Like, I wanted it to do like the little swoop on the side. It just wasn't working out. Like, I put like a ton of gel, and finally I realized I'm just going to make it slick to the back instead of making it do like a swoop on the side. So the slick to the back is what worked for me. Maybe that's what will work for you as well. So if you're trying to make like a side swept sort of thing going on and it doesn't work, then definitely try to make it go all the way to the back. Once you know what side you're going to make it go on, definitely go back over it again with your brush just to make sure everything is together and sleek down. And then I just got my scrunchie and I just put all of my hair together in my hand and I put it all on my scrunchie. Make sure you tighten it, not too much, but enough so that it stays in, it doesn't move, because you don't want your hair to move because it's too loose. Once I got all of my hair together, I'm just gonna go back over it one more time with some got to be glue. This is the black one. This is just to make sure the front stays down because the Eco Styler is strong, but it's not that strong. Then afterwards, I'm gonna go with my satin scarf. I just put the scarf on for like maybe like 10 to 15 minutes because that's what's really gonna help it sleek down. And then once you take it off, you should have your hair like that. It should be all sleek down and everything. And then for the back, I didn't want to leave it like that, so I just got my hair all together. I just rolled it up so it could stay secure. And I put an extra scrunchie over it so that it could just be all tight and together and not like in a puff. And once that was done, I just make sure it was secure.
I got some bobby pins for the side of my hair because it was kind of sticking out and I didn't want that look. So I just got some bobby pins and I just put it on the sides and it ended up working for me. So if your hair's sticking out on the side, just put some bobby pins, and once you finish with that, you should be all set. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share with your friends, and I'll see you next time.